morning sa inyo. Aray, of shoulder. In fairness, balingkinitan. Uy, friend! Grabe, tagal-tagal na kayo nakikita. Oh my gosh, kamusta? Uy, boost na boost ako. Lord, please. Oh my David!
Hi, Yandel, right?
Oh, nakakainis naman to. May chika ako sa'yo. Uy, salamat sa pakikinig. Mag-service na ako.
Hindi ka ba nagsaservice?
Hindi pa.
Akala ko naman nag-service ko, makachika naman to.
Bye.
Uy, hindi na ako.
Oh, sige. Hindi ba ito? Papasokan niya ako.
Because we value your safety here in Victory, we will be following this venue's maximum capacity of 500 people. As much as we would want to accommodate everyone, at the time you arrive, our doors will be closed at 500.
11:30 pa lang puno na agad.
This is why we encourage you to come early. Seats will be on a first-come, first-served basis, and available seats will be flashed at the lobby.
So ganon, kada linggo na lang Amazing Race kami lahat sa upuan.
We usually fill our maximum capacity of 500 people in our 11 a.m. and 5 p.m. services. We highly encourage you to attend our other services. We have a 9 a.m., a 1 p.m., a 3 p.m., and a 7 p.m. service here at GT Toyota. This is also a great opportunity for us to experience growth in these other services.
Ay, tama naman. Ka-OA ko naman kasi. Mag-lunch nga lang muna ako. Ito na ako 1 p.m. service.
But wait! There's more!
There's more?
On July 1, in our brand new church facility at the 5th floor of Regis Building along Katipunan, we will be launching our 10 a.m. service.
Taray! Exciting!
Oh, Yantel!